Now, the topic of rejuvenation of Yamuna, and for that matter any river, is at the core of our heart, and we were inducted in the first river basin management plan, which was made for Ganga as a river long back. I think it was initiated in 2011 or 12, and then all the IITs, we joined hands and we looked at in a very detailed manner what we need to do to rejuvenate a river like Ganga. So when we say rejuvenate, these big rivers don't need the rejuvenation of the kind that we talk of smaller rivers. Rejuvenation in this particular case is, we identify two aspects: hydrological health of a river and the environmental health of a river. The hydrological health means that whatever nature provides that river system, and river system gets its natural water resource because of the boundary which is called the basin, that whole land mass is participating in creating a river, because all the rainfall or the precipitation which falls in that area, that contributes to the river. So when we talk in terms of how the river was behaving in the pristine state, that is the first thing which we need to understand. What was the resource becoming available with some variability, which is a natural variability. Every year might not be the same. There might be some good years, some bad years, and some average years. So we have to understand that what the nature has provided as water resources to that basin. And then, as the development took place, we kept on imposing more and more demand. First of all, we started having the civilizations around the river systems because we wanted to produce food and we wanted to have many other things taken care of, whether the domestic water use or the industrial, as the industry started becoming more and more progressive. And then we also kept on imposing the demands of various kinds, including the population growth. Your food production has to be higher. Now, as long as the demand which we impose on the river system is less than its availability, which is allowed for the society to use, there's no problem. We are within the resource availability and we are not creating problems for the river. But the moment it exceeds the availability of the resource, then we start seeing the problems.